everyone, we're going to find all real zeros of the given polynomial p of x. So to find the possible real zeros, what we do is we look at the lead coefficient, which is 1, and we'll call that q. And then we look at our constant term, which is 9. This should be x here. All right, and we'll call that p. And what we want to do with p is write all the factors of 9, which is 1, 3, and 9. And all we're going to do to find our possible real solutions is take p divided by q. So basically our p is going to be 1 divided by 1. So and it's always plus and minus because you don't know. Plus we have minuses in here. So plus and minus. And we're going to take 1 divided by 1 is 1. And then we're going to have 3 divided by 1 is 3. And 9 divided by 1 is 9. So basically there's 6 possible zeros when you count for the plus and minus. Sometimes it's always good to take the smallest one and not the largest one. Usually it's the middle terms or earlier. It's usually not the last possible real zero. So let's try 1. If I try positive 1, that means my factor would be x minus 1. All right, and then we write down our coefficients, which are going to be 1, 4, negative 2, negative 12, and 9. And then what we're going to do is bring down the 1, and then you multiply and add. 4 plus 1, multiply and add. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Then you keep multiplying by this 1 and you get 3. So when you add, you get negative 9. When you multiply 1 times negative 9, you get negative 9, you get 0. That means 1 is a real solution. All right, now we can do it again. So basically, if we want, let's look at x equal 1 is a 0. So if we want, we can try 1 again. So if we try 1 again, put a 1 here, and do this again. So bring down the 1, and multiply, and add, multiply, and add, multiply, and add. And you get 0 again. So we have 2. We have x equals 1 twice. So that means we're going to have x minus 1 squared. Since we have 2 of these, x minus 1 times x minus 1. All right. So therefore, looking at this part here is going to be x squared plus 6x plus 9. Because this one was x to the power of 4. So this one would be x cubed. And then you go down, this would be x squared. And this can be factored as x plus 3 squared. So basically, looking at this, we're going to have x minus 1 squared times x plus 3 squared. That means our real zeros are going to be 1 and negative 3. Once you can factor this, because this one you're just setting to 0, you can get x equals negative 3. Once you can factor it nicely, we don't want to do synthetic division. So there's your real roots. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.